Do you want to look like a card counting expert even though you're not? Here's how it works, okay? So you have invite the spectator to freely shuffle these cards, and what you want to do is a glimpse at the 27th card. The 27th card will be your key card. Now, you don't want to do this. This is not magic. You don't want to count the cards one at a time because that looks obvious that it's not magical. There's nothing impressive about that. What you want to do is you want to push off 3 cards 9 times, which will get you to the 27th position. This is how it will look, okay? You're going to push off 3, and don't count 3, 6, 9, 12. That's too much counting. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 27th card right here, the Ace of Clubs. But don't stop counting. Just pretend you're still counting. Push the cards in the same manner, okay? And just say, okay, this is how the deck has been shuffled by you. So that's the justification for spreading the cards face up. You're going to show them and say, look, you shuffle these cards, and this is how you shuffle them. And all you're looking for, once again, is the 27th card. You're going to push off 3 cards 9 times. You're going to turn the packet face down. Tell the spectator, I want you to cut the cards, cut a portion of cards. Now, they have to cut less than 26 cards. If they cut more than 26, the trick won't work. So how do you estimate that they don't cut more than 26? It's pretty obvious. If they cut like this, you can clearly tell by the thickness that is more than 27. If they cut like this, you obviously know that's less than 26 rather. So if they cut a big portion, you know that's more than 26. If they cut a small portion, you know that's less than 26, okay? And if they do happen to cut a big portion, you say, hey, just cut a smaller packet of cards. You're in control. You're the magician, okay? So they're going to cut a portion of cards, and you say, okay, put those cards to the side, okay? And you can tell them to put their hand over it, anything you want. Now, you're going to take the packet, and you're going to count 26 cards. Once again, you want to make it look like it's random. So what I do is I count 10 cards, and 6. So it's 10, 10, 6, which will get me to 26. So you're going to reverse the order like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to gesture, make any comment, count 10 cards again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gesture, then count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to take the rest of these cards and discard them to the side. Now you're going to turn the packet face up. Now what you're going to look for now, you're going to look for your key card, which remember was the Ace of Clubs. So you're going to deal out cards, and your justification for dealing out cards is you say, I had too many cards in my hand, so I have to eliminate some cards. So you're going to look for your key card, the Ace of Clubs. And what I do is I deal out a few more cards. I say, wait, I went too fast. I'm dealing too many cards. Let me eliminate some cards. What you want to do is you want to leave that key card on the table with the rest of these piles and say, yep, I think I found your card. You're going to take this key card and discard it to the side. Now, believe it or not, the pile that you have left in your hand and the pile the spectator has left in their hand equal in the exact amount, okay? So you're going to tell them to count together, and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And believe me, that is going to get you great reactions. It's a great card trick. It's very easy, as you can see. Hopefully I did a good enough job at explaining it. So all you have to do, once again, is get a key card at the 27th position. I always invite the spectator to shuffle because I want it to look like I don't have any setup. And once again, they can freely shuffle these cards. And then once again, I'll teach you how to count the cards. You're going to spread 3 cards, push off 3 cards 9 times. Okay, so push off 3, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 7 of diamonds is your key card. You're going to keep pushing, and then you just keep going because you don't want to do this. You don't want to find the 27th card and then suddenly close the deck because that looks suspicious. You want everything to look consistent. So you're going to push off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then keep pushing in the same motion because you want everything to look consistent. You don't want to raise any suspicion. And as I said, you want to justify to the spectator, why are you turning the packet face up? You say, look, this is how you shuffle these cards, and all you're doing is secretly counting until you get to the 27th position. Turn the packet face down, have them cut, make sure it's less than 26. You're going to then count 26 cards, 10, 10, 10, 10, 6. Reverse the order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gesture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can gesture again, make another comment, count 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take these cards, discard them to the side, turn the packet face up, look for your 7 of diamonds. You're going to slowly eliminate some cards. Then till you get to the 7 of diamonds. That 7 of diamonds is there, but sometimes I don't stop. I just keep going. I say, wait, I took too many cards. Then you stop. You leave that 7 of diamonds. This 7 of diamonds, you also discard. The power of the 7 of diamonds. Take these cards face down. Take the spectator's cards face down. And then you just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And that is a great trick, and it's known as the human scale.